Alright, so right in front of us is a new development, Trafalgar 1. It's a business commercial space. I did a more in-depth video on it recently, where I did a walk by. So I put that in the comments so you guys can check it out. So that's Trafalgar 1, a new development right here in the new Kingston area. So welcome back to the channel, guys. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. So I'm here with another video for you guys. This is a driving video. I haven't done a driving video in a while. So thank you guys for clicking. Remember to like, subscribe. Subscribing is free. Remember to share and comment as well. So we're in the new Kingston area. So we're now on Trafalgar Road and we're driving from here into Halfway Tree. So this left turn is Worthington Avenue. And the right turn is Musgrave Avenue. So stay tuned, enjoy the drive, enjoy the view, grab a seat, put on your seat belt while we pass through New Kingston. So on the right coming up is the British Embassy. And then this left turn is St. Lucia Avenue, which brings you into New Kingston. Alright, so it's a sunny day. Left turn is Knutsford Boulevard. I wonder what the weather is like wherever you guys are. Just share in the comment. Whatever the weather is wherever you are in the world. And again, we're driving from where we were on Lady Musgrave, then we went on to Trafalgar, and we're heading into Halfway Tree. Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica to the right. We have Albury Road on the left coming up. So we're gonna take the left turn coming up since we're heading into Halfway Tree. so we're on Hope Road heading into Half a Tree Town Center. We'll probably end the video probably around at the clock area. So just wanted to do a quick video for you guys from New Kingston into Half a Tree. I know I haven't been doing a lot of videos overall recently. Part of that is the drone, because the drone makes all videos better. But still trying to ensure that I can get you guys content nevertheless. I know the sun is directly in front now. Hopefully you guys can still see and not being blinded. Alright, so Winchester Road on the left, Surbiton Road on the right. As we approach Half a Tree Town Center. Alright, so now we're basically in Half a Tree. So we have Clock Tower Plaza to the left. We have green light in front of us. So we can get some of the green light. Alright guys, so as I mentioned before, thank you guys for clicking on this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for your constant support. Really appreciate it. Sun is boiling outside. Alright guys, so New Kingston to Half a Tree. See you guys on another driving video.